Adding HTML code to a lesson type. Go to the dashboard, go to your courses, log into the course and go to curriculum. Let's add another lesson type for the HTML. Click Add Lesson. Let's name that lesson HTML or custom code and click Save. Down here you'll see custom code. This allows you to put code directly in to your lesson type. If you are a developer and you know HTML and custom code, then this is a choice you might want to use. If you're not sure about custom code or have never used it, it's probably best to leave this alone. Let's click Custom Code. Here is some very simple custom code entered into the block. Let's click Save and let's go and review this code inside of the curriculum. Let's go to Preview, Course Curriculum as Student, scroll down to the custom code lesson we just added, and you will see our new code has been entered into here. If you are a developer, you may choose to use the custom code. You might even want to embed custom code from different apps or services. This is the custom code block inside of Zenler.